Okay, just tell me when to start.
It started already.
Okay.
Is you ready?
Yeah.
Welcome to another episode of Travel to Tuesday. This is Kerwin at cruising.com. Today I'm in the Hyde Park area of London. And one of the cool things when you come to London is that you can rent bicycles. They're called the Boris Bikes because the mayor of London is the guy who came up with the idea, quote unquote. Here, this is what a Boris bike looks like. So basically, well, the seat's kind of turned backwards, but you get on one of them and you you get a card for it. I think I figured out, can I? So we'll just continue from there. So basically, I think you actually have to buy a card, and then you swipe the card, you take the bike out, you ride it wherever you need to go, and just put it back on the other side of the city. Actually, the machine you pay is up there that you can see on the other side. That is a blue sign right there.
You're pushing your bug. You're not pushing my bug, right? You're not pushing the bug.
There you go.
You can edit it.
Well, keep going. I'll talk over it. So, these are the rates up here that you use.
You can't see it.
Up to it's an access fee is £1 for 24 hours, but up to 30 minutes it's free. So basically, if you can get across wherever you want to go in 30 minutes, it's all free for you. It has a whole list of code of conduct. And once you go and you choose hire cycle. You accept, read and accept the privacy notice. And then you insert your payment card. And then once you do that, it decides how much it's going to charge you, and it gives you a key, and you use that key to open the bikes on the other side. So, this is Kerwin with cruising.com. That is the easiest way to get across London. Enjoy your trip.